is he doing?
Though they may be of age.
I don't know when I take this thing. I don't know whose apple is that. Here we go.
In the kitchen, they're toddlers.
Where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I going?
What is that?
Joelle, what is that?
Orange chicken.
Orange chicken. You don't say.
Y'all ain't had no chicken this orange, honey. I know that for sure.
Wait a minute. I'm scared.
Wow, this is so amazing.
What made that orange like that?
Orange food coloring will make orange chicken.
Lordy, lordy, lordy.
My phobia is cutting lettuce.
What is it about lettuce? Lettuce just chilling. It ain't doing nothing to nobody.
I'm gonna make the sauce, chimichurri.
What was this sauce?
It's
What is it?
chimichurri. Chimmy.
The password is chimichurri.
Chimichurri. Chimichanga.
Chumbawamba.
Chimichurri.
Chimichurri?
There it is.
Chim, chirm, chirm. You know when the dogs do this? Like, that's how I felt. I'm like, what? There is a weird smell.
It's this, huh? If this is my Caesar dressing?
I don't know. Is it the burning pan?
It's burnt?
Yeah, I think it's cooked. Start peeling the shrimp! Start peeling! There you go!
them too, y'all.
We ain't got time for you to gag. Let's go. Pickled red onions.
They're a little big, I know.
These are just inconsistent.
Okay. Yeah,
I want you just to own that.
Okay, it's inconsistent.
And I want you to say we chef.
We chef?
We chef. That means yes, chef.
Okay, we chef.
Hands and bench scraper. Hands and bench scraper. Moving it in, working it in, work it. Don't put another drop of salt or oil.
Okay.
We need to be making sure you have the right amount of arugula on the top.
Arugula on top of what?
I'm done.
Anybody got any cilantro?
Oh, cilantro in our ricotta? Something else. Pick another one.
Okay, bad idea. Yep.
No! Why can't they move when I say it? Make it nice in the center. Right in the center. Center. The center of the plate. Okay, okay.
So I was trying to go real hood. I'm gonna make some French fries and a taco or something like that.
What are hood French fries?
I don't know. I lived in the hood.
These al dente French fries.
I'm gonna try to stop looking over there.
That's all I can do is go with it, child.
I like the flavor if I could actually just swallow the pork, you know?
Yeah.
So that's an interesting texture that I never want to have again. You know why I didn't add a lot of juice here?
Because that stuff is bitter and it helps it add to the nastiness.
Wrong words, try again. Chelska, why are you plating right now?
Everything is perfect because I'm not rushed.
Don't you plate no more. Y'all stressing me out today.
Okay.
That was so stressful.
Good job, you guys.
Y'all stressed me on these games, man. This is the most stressful thing I've ever done. I threw 'em.